Hey guys, what is up? I am doing this video on handcuff review. Oh yeah, the time. I've only ever used these one, and that time was about an hour ago when I kind of got stuck in them because the feet. So let's get into the video. So these are the handcuffs. As you can see, there's the key. No, where's the key section? Key section is there. That that size there is not one at all. That ain't it. And so to unlock them, you have to get the key, and you have to just turn it left. As you can see, they kind of swing open. Watch. There are about 50 different settings, so pretty much everyone will fit in them. These are, in fact, speed cuffs. On these Smith & Wesson handcuffs, these aren't speed cuffs. They kind of block these, that's why. See, they're not speed cuffs, these. So these are, as you can see, they are bendable. They cost £30 with the pouch and keys, and yeah. There is a feature which is there. So with the key there, that pin, you push that yellow bit in there, like this, with the pin. Let me do it. Now, yeah, you can see it, but now they don't move at all. And where you have to turn the key left, unlike these, you don't. What you have to do is you have to turn them right, and then you'll hear a click, and then left, and then left. I am going to try these on. I'm going to do one hand though, so I don't want to get stuck. I had to make this video twice. This is the one that will be going up, because on the other I kind of got stuck and I had to delete the video because I got stuck. So, this is normal, so let's put them on. So this is just one, and then I'll do the other, and then I'll do both. So this is one. As you can see, they definitely cannot escape because they're real. Yeah. Oh yeah, no safety really. Have a good look. And then let's get out, because now I'll do it double locked. Now, I can slide on. You just take the double lock. Turn it right. Now I can't move them. Now what we have to do is put right, then left. If you just do left, nothing will happen. Now let's do both hands. Kind of good. So do it like that. That way, so that way, I think. Yeah, that way. I'm not gonna be able to double lock these either because I just won't because I'm in handcuffs. And I'm relying on the keys to let me out. Like I'm literally relying on them. So, 1, 2, then 1, 2, 3. There we go. And I'm not going to be able to do it. Well, I will be able to do it behind my back because the speed cuffs, but then I'll be stuck one tap, like stuck, and I can't get myself out, and then dramatically. But at the front, yeah, I guess. And they are really heavy. I think they're well, they're not heavy where you can't lift them, but they're like heavy for handcuff. I think they're about 1 kilogram. 1 kg. So let's get myself. In fact, should I try and double lock? No, I can't. Because the double lock is there. Right, let's get myself out, and then I shall end the video. I swear I better not get stuck like on that video that I just made. I think I got stuck on the video that I just made because I double locked him, and because it's hard to get double locked because you have to go boom, 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 and then fully turn it and then do it all. But I couldn't do that because it would be behind my back as well. So we'll just do it one more handcuff myself. I think we should. Right, so do it that way, fully turn, then an upwards diagonal. Yep, like that. No. Look, can't slide, I don't have any. And shall I try using pin? Quest pin. Here it is. No, it's impossible. Only way you can get out is with the keys, which I have. So turn that. Fix in. For the crew who really does care, I will double lock it. Because if you didn't care, you wouldn't have watched it to this far. So the double locked pin is in. No, I didn't. Wait. No, I didn't. Now it is. So instead of just turning it left, right, pins out. Now left. If the yeah, right. I'll just put them on while I finish my speech. So if my Fortnite dance challenge, in fact I'll upload this in another video coming out later, so ta-ta! Can we get 10-minute mark? 3, 2, 1. Hey, we got so many more games. I need to end my line. Right, see ya.